Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing some mommy things. Obviously we're gonna go to Domino's, we're gonna have some great Friday night pizza, and it's also sponsored by TB Teek, which has great pet supplies. They sell these amazing if you have cats or kittens, I would recommend it be a baby kitten because it moves around. This toy is amazing, and they also sell lighting supplies. So I will leave a link in the description box below and you could hop on it, all right, and get my little discount. Okay, so I know I got my little cat moms and dog moms, so if you have a puppy or a kitten, you will love this toy. They will love this toy. But anyway, let's get into this video. Okay, it's just easy to charge. Definitely easy. If you have a C charger, you could just charge it. See, it has a little charging port right here, and it has a picture of the battery on it. Amazing. So we're gonna wait till it's green. Hey, look at lady. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. Hey. So we about to play. Hey, cutie. You ready to play with her cat toy? You gotta go get it. So I think we just hold it down and it's on. Come on. Woo, go get it. Woo. Oh boy. Go get it. Sleeping Beauty. We're gonna try to play with this, see if it's gonna wake her up. Look at her. Oh. Hey, mama.
Hey, mama.
Yep. Got a little toy, Pet Smart toy.
Mommy?
Hey, look at it. So cute.
Mommy,
Let's see.
let me try a baby.
Thanks again, TBTeek, for sponsoring my video. So this interactive cat toy is so adorable. Look at this baby kitten. It has a mesh, as you can see, like a mesh cover. The tail, it interacts. It's motion censored. And if you have an older cat, I would say it might keep them, you know, entertained, but this is definitely for little kittens, little cats, you know, cats that have a lot of energy. Yes, honey, and we all know how cats are. So it has feathers, it has bells and whistles. It's so adorable, and it only takes an hour to charge, and it comes with a little C charger. So if you don't have C chargers in your house, then honey, it comes with one. So you just plug it in for an hour, maybe 1.5 hours, that's 1.5, and it's fully charged, no batteries included, no batteries needed. Yes, hunty. So go get yours, and I got mine from Amazon. So it was only $13.99. But there's a sale. You could also put in a code and get a discount. Obviously, you know, it's 12 or 15% off right now, and it's just the most adorable thing. Look at this little girl. She is the cutest. She loves it, but I love it. And my cat is pregnant, so I'm gonna be a grandma. Let me get it right. So she was not entertained and unbothered, but she played with it for a while. And this one is in blue, my favorite color. Okay, so I have been craving this, and OMG, yes, honey. I got my turkey balsamic, okay, balsamic turkey sausage, my organic free, cage free, large brown eggs, yes, my potatoes, red and white, my peppers, white onion, red onion, my lime so I could clean it, my fresh garlic, thank you, my jumbo extra large shrimp, and these little baby ones because we already know I'm hungry. little crab legs, clusters. There they go. Yes, so I have my new pot, so I want y'all to see the pot, honey. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and thank you again, TB Teek, for sponsoring this video.